You mind stepping out so we don't have to talk in front of your son?
Step out of what?
Vehicle? So we don't have to talk in front of your son about the situation?
I have to go get my son from baseball practice.
Okay.
So,
right, let's just take.
Is it going to be?
Let's just take a minute.
Okay.
So, did you go get medical attention for your injury at all, or no?
I just took pictures of it. And, yeah.
So, I know we talked on the phone the other night, but from your side of things, what exactly happened?
She's scratching me. I can't get my hand out. I feel the keys, pull my hand out, and leave. That's it. So.
Okay. So, do you understand you still committed a few different crimes by doing that, correct?
No. What crimes did I commit?
Trespassing.
I wasn't trespassing. I've been to her place many a times. I was just there actually earlier. So,
okay.
Yeah.
All right. Well, right now I need you to put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest.
Don't resist.
Don't resist.
Hey.
Don't resist.
Hey. I'm not being arrested.
You're being arrested right now.
Get on the ground. Stop. I'm getting on the ground. I'm getting on the ground. I am going. Stop moving. Okay, I'm stopping.
Taser used. You gotta go ahead. Don't fucking move.
I didn't. Why did you need me, dude?
Yeah.
All right. Well, right now I need you to put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest.
Don't resist.
Hey, resist.
Hey.
Don't resist.
Hey. I'm not being arrested.
You're being arrested right now.
Hey, stop! Get on the ground! Get on the ground now! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the fucking ground! Stop moving! Okay, I'm stopping!
Taser used. You gotta go ahead. Don't fucking move.
I didn't.
All right. Up, 1, 2, 3.
I need medical.
Yep, we're gonna have
They're already coming.
I can feel my heart.
Okay, they're on their way.
So,
I already called fire to come check it.
Let's go.
what's your badge number?
1994. Let's go.
Guys, hey, I'm not risking.
Hey,
I'm not.
walk to the car.
To the fucking
I
car.
am.
No, you're not.
Gosh, calm down.
You're the one who needs to calm down. Let's
No,
go.
I'm not doing anything.
Got
Do you mind if I catch my breath for a second?
Catch your breath in the car.
How do I get in, guys?
Turn like this.
Hold on. Ow.
What's ow?
My wrist. Ow. Guys,
Hold on.
it's my left wrist. Ow.
You have plenty of room in that cuff.
When I'm trying to sit down...